Pandas. Welcome to the stream. Good morning. I'm Bye Money, and we are live here every single day, trading at a Nascraq. Good morning, everybody. Hope you're all doing well. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Don't be alarmed. We're down 1850, but that was from yesterday. If you guys don't know, half days are combined with the next day. So yesterday and today trading is combined into one day. So this is why you see the balance carried over. You know what that means though, pandas? It just means more trading for us today. It means that we're looking for a $3,000 swing. Are we gonna get it? You better believe it. It's kind of nice sometimes. Here's a silver lining. When you lose money, you don't have to worry about threshold, your trailing threshold as much, because your trailing threshold doesn't change unless you make more money than the highest point that your account has made. So if you're losing money, your trailing threshold won't get affected until you reach that point. So that means we can swing trade, we can do whatever we want until then. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning. We're going to get it today. It's a new America. God bless America. Elon's already up to his shenanigans. I don't know what he was thinking doing his little salute thingy. I don't know if you've seen it. But he did he's like, my heart goes out to you, and then he straight up does like the Nazi thing. And the Democrats are going crazy right now. Actually, not even Democrats, the media is going crazy. Even I'm wondering, like, what was he thinking? What a great optic that Elon had produced. I just he's a special person. Pandas. Good morning, Benali. Good morning, Bill 7. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Still have to watch the total. Of course, you gotta watch the total drawdown. Right now, I'm about 2,500 ish. I'm about halfway there on my drawdown, or on my threshold. 2,200, 2,300, 2,000, around there. It's plenty to work with for me. Plenty. Especially now that the trailing threshold won't be affected. Right? The reason why my trailing threshold right now is so high is because I was up a lot, and I was up even higher, and I lost a bunch of money. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. Drop that GM in the chat. Scalp that like button. I would really appreciate it. We're dripping here. Kind of hitting some sort of resistance in this area, as you can see. Spike channel, hitting the resistance. Looks like trading range is starting to develop here, pandas. Market's about to open. 5 minutes. I think I might wait till market opens here till we make a trade. In my opinion, it feels like we hit the top of the trading range, coming back to the bottom. If it doesn't reach the bottom here, coming back to the previous day's close, which is this, it's hard to see because it's really close to the previous week's high. Right, this dotted line is the previous week's high. This dashed line is the previous day's close. A little hard to see, so I'm just letting you guys know.
2500 tick trap.
It could just simply be something like this right now. Limit order market. Bill 7 says, I was in short, should have stayed in, but too close to open from. Yeah, absolutely. Good call. I don't think that's a bad idea. We don't have news until, I think, Thursday. Let me see. By the way, if you are not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. I post like all the news that I think is going to move the markets, which is helpful, right? Especially if you want to pass your evals and get funded. Bob Stock says, good morning. Says, it's snowing out here. Ooh. Where's here? You don't have to give me like your address, but just like, your, I don't know, state, country, I don't know, city. No, I'm not talking to you. Get out of here. Ooh, high or low here. But we're also just in this channel. I think we're going to wait till market opens, yeah. Your best bet here is to sell at the top of this channel, to buy at the bottom of the channel. That's your best bet. Whoa. Okay. You keep doing that until the structure breaks. Or after like, several pushes in one direction, then you kind of like, all right, maybe it's done. Usually 3 is the magic number. No news until Thursday. Unemployment claims at 8:30. It could be big, but I don't know. Oh, it's snowing in Texas. I didn't know Texas had snow. That's crazy. Is that normal? There was like a small snowfall in Atlanta, Georgia, like a couple years ago, and they had no idea how to deal with it, and there was like so many car accidents and whatever. I was in hill country. All right, that makes sense. It depends on where you are, I guess, in Texas. Pandas, are you ready? Are you ready to make some bamboo? I'll tell you what. Oh, I'm ready. I'm ready to make this bamboo back. I am absolutely just pumped right now. Identify market cycle. Trade accordingly. Very choppy right now. 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
500 tick trap.
pops up. Having a hard time reaching the bottom of this. Let's see what happens here. About 4 overlapping bars in a row. We're going to break out soon.
2500 tick trap.
We're breaking out soon. Market's still trying to figure out what to do. Second entry short, pushes down. Maybe coming back to the previous day's close. This makes sense to me. Strong bear bar ending on its low. Looking for follow through. Looking for follow through. No follow through here, that'd be weird. Alright, there's some follow through. Testing the previous day's close and what I'm thinking. Okay, we don't get there. Okay, we might get there. Breaker trend new high. Feels like entry short is the best setup right now. Even a higher low if you're super eager. Even higher low if you're super eager here, but I don't know. Higher low. Another second entry short about to form here. Okay, doesn't quite trigger the second entry short. Almost does. There it is. It looks like it was a push down a little bit here. Probably to fill the gap. No longer interested in this long. Or beneath the 20 MA. Probably going to test the previous day's close and fill the gap on the 5-minute chart. I mean, it's kind of the least it can do, in a sense. But sitting on my pause, I don't like anything here right now, to be honest. If anything, you gotta, buy with the limit order. Sell with the limit order somewhere. Okay, pushing down. Obvious target is a previous day's close, in my opinion. And we still haven't got there. It's obvious target. We still haven't gotten there yet. We're very close, though. Don't know. Okay, pushing up. Free money? I mean, there's free money. I'll take it. Is there such thing as free money in the market? Oh, I don't know. I have no clue. Sitting on my pause, things are unclear to me. High or low, maybe I'll be interested, but nothing's established right now. Right? I mean, technically we're in a downtrend still. Trading range. The question is, where is the trading range, right? Where are the bounds of this trading range? If I were to make a guess, maybe something like this. Okay, strong bear bar. I mean, I guess I'll reverse this if it doesn't work. I guess. There's strong bull bar. No longer interested in the short. Pushing up.
$2,500 tick trap.
Sorry about that, Panis. I mean, I could try. I could certainly try here.
2,500 tick trap.
Okay, that makes sense. Touching the previous day's close and filling the gap on the 5-minute chart. What a just cliffhanger here. Strong bear bar ending on his low on the 2,500 tick chart. Have we decided our direction here, pandas? What a push. I guess I want to jump in on the short here, but hard to say. I can try a first entry here, but I don't like it. Especially with a bull bar like that. No, thank you. No, thank you. Maybe yes, thank you. Tough. Tough. I mean, you could have taken a chance here going short. I was thinking about it, but the outside bar reversal made me hesitate. And it was this candle that really broke down. Okay, pushing up. Okay. No idea. First entries all the way down. Having a hard time breaking a previous pivot high. I mean, if any trade at this point, maybe wait till the 20 MA. Or just sell the strong bear bar on the 5-minute chart. I could try that. It's too late. Really pushing down. It's all first entries, which is difficult to trade. I was thinking about just selling the bear bar on the 5-minute chart. Right, strong bear bar, just selling it right when it closed. But this looks so overextended, I just didn't know what to do. Right, there was like no pullbacks virtually, and I'm just slow to enter a trade because this looks crazy. I just know the moment I enter is gonna snap back up and rip my face off. I know the moment I enter is gonna snap back up and rip my face off. I have a special skill for this. Very special skill. To enter at the worst possible time. Just watch. Sitting on pause. I don't have any setups really. Looking for a second entry short, coming back to some sort of resistance. It's just at this point, it's just selling pure momentum, which is nice. But at this point, at this late in this trend, I don't know if it's worth. I don't know if it's worth. Now we're at the previous week's close, testing it. Fill the gap on the 5-minute chart. We have way more gaps to fill on the 5-minute chart. Maybe it's just a really bad bear trend day today. Unsure. Second entry short now, finally. Bouncing off the previous week's close. I can try here, but it's silly. Silly as any other trade. Terrible signal bar. I think I'll wait at least for a decent signal looking signal bar here. We are bouncing off a support here or key area. Okay, multiple bull bars, lots of flags. Okay, big push up. Big push up here. The second entry short. Big push up. Looking for fail second entry short here. Looking for fail second entry short here. Bouncing off a key area like that makes me feel like it could reverse here. We could make a new low as well. Bouncing off that key area makes me feel like reversal has a chance for reversal here. Bad looking signal bar. At the end, ends up being a decent second entry short. All right, it is what it is. Lower high, I'll be interested. Okay, wow. Coming back above the 20 MA. If it's strong bull bar, let me just cancel. Jeez. How confusing is that? How confusing is this right now? What's going on? Big push down, big push up. Typically look for a new low in this situation, but man. What is happening here? I have no clue. It is reversing actually. Second entry long. Pandas, you tell me. You tell me. You tell me what's good. You tell me what is a good setup right now. Very confusing. I mean, this could V bottom. Could V bottom. I'm going to keep a close eye on this trend. Closing beneath the trend. This trend line. It was a very strong push down, so I mean, it was a strong push down. What can I say? Push up. Good signal bar. I mean, I could try, but I don't know. I don't know. This is confusing. I mean, good signal bar to go short. It looks like it's gonna make a new high now. Right, break a trend new high. Ah, this is tough. This one's tough, pandas. Truly tough. Something like this, maybe. Very difficult to trade. If you're making money today, congratulations. I still have a lot to learn. This is just confusing. I don't know how to deal with markets that look like this. I mean, you could do the obvious thing. I guess buy down here, sell up here. Tight stop. Okay, looks like it's breaking up to the upside. All right. Interesting. Weird. Just weird. Can I confidently say we're in an uptrend now? Jeez. Jeez. It's either going up or down. Wrong. Sideways. Strong bull bar, 2500 tick chart. Strong bull bar ending on its high, actually. Guess I'm gonna go long. Looks like a V bottom type situation. I guess. Don't be mad if I lose this. I just have no clue. I'm just trying to go with momentum here right now. I guess we'll try to get to this key level. Not a bad push. Didn't quite get there though. Could have scalped out. Maybe that would have been the better play. Obviously, with hindsight bias, scalping out was a better play. Well, you know what I say. Lean into your mistakes. Okay. Could have scalped out, I think. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I could have scalped out 10 points. I couldn't even scalp out 10 points, so I'm not even mad about that. I couldn't even scalp out, so I'm not even mad. Not even mad about that. Okay. Bouncing off the 20 MA here. What a bullish looking chart right now. Quite bullish right now. Maybe a second entry long, who knows? I mean, if we get it off our trend line, I'll take it. Don't trigger the second pullback yet. This is an overshoot. Probably into some sort of undershoot. I mean, should I? Should I? As good as any. Ooh, it's a bad looking signal bar. Stanky. Touching our trend line. I could try. I think this makes sense. But is anything going to make sense today is the question. Is anything going to make sense today is the dang question. I'm gonna let this cook a little bit. I gotta let it cook a little bit here. Looking for a new high. That's what I'm thinking. If it don't work, it don't work.
2,500 tick trap.
But I think I'm gonna let it cook. Don't want to overcook though, you know what I mean? You don't want to overcook. Do not want it to overcook. I would love this to be a bull bar, but I don't know, we'll see. It's not looking pretty, I'll tell you that much. It's okay. Nah, it's bad. It pushes up right away though. I feel like if we're still within our channel here, we're okay. We're quite sideways now. Could get burned here. It's all good.
2,500 tick trap.
Yeah, getting burned. Big push down. Whoa! Wait! Wait! Did my counts get busted? Whoa! That slippage was insane! Am I still in a trade? What's happening? Whoa! What just happened? Okay, I made a little bamboo trying to flatten everything. Whoa! That was insane, pandas. We floated there for a while. Wow, we lost so much money in that huge slippage. I mean, I guess. I guess we're going short, pandas. Give me another push down, I'll take it. Can't make it. Oof. We'll hold. We'll hold. We'll hold. I think we'll hold.
Target filled.
I don't like what is going on. I don't like what's happening here. But we almost got our counts busted. We're about $1,000 threshold. That's insane. Pandas. That was insane, that push down. Now, I don't know if we're going to keep pushing down as a question because we are bouncing here. What a push. Like, my slippage was insane. Like, my stop loss was right here. It stopped me out down here. That's crazy, pandas. That's actually crazy. My slippage was like... What's my slippage? 20-point slippage. 20-point slippage, pandas. Seriously? Let's try. I don't know what's happening right now. This market's going haywire. Let's try something silly here. I need at least a 1-to-1 on this. Oof. This is a bad trade. Are we in a downtrend? Am I trying to go long in a downtrend? I may skunk this. I'll just hold it, whatever. What's the difference at this point? Oh, could have skunked it there, I guess. No, let's just hold it. We already took all the risk, so might as well hold. Could have came out break even again. Jeez. Could have came out break even again. I really love holding bad trades, huh? This is looking scary. Alright, I'm dead. It's all good. My account's busted yet? I really don't. It's completely choppy here right now. I mean, at the end, I think this is bearish, but this looks like a bull flag type situation right now. What a push down. I mean, that slippage just killed my accounts. Like, this push down right here, pandas. I had my stop loss up here, and I had 20-point slippage. It took me out here. I had 20-point slippage. I mean, how many of us dream just to make 20 points? Imagine just losing 20 points. That was in double contracts too. I mean, the accounts essentially just got destroyed because of that. I mean, I had a chance, but now I don't even know. That was insane. That move down, that slippage, I don't know. What can you do? What can you do, Panda? Just move on. All right, pushing up here. Pandas. It's tough. Tough day to trade. I'll tell you that much. Very tough day to trade. I was not expecting that. It just became super choppy here. I don't know. Just waiting. Setting my pause. Look at the 5-minute chart. It's insane. Strong bear bar closing on its low, like near its low. Just bought up the moment it closes. So how insane is that? I don't know, I'll try, I guess. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, no trades. Setting my pause. It's a failed bull flag, essentially. We're in a pure limit order market right now, but I don't have enough threshold to trade with. I think my next trade will be my last on these accounts. It's unfortunate. Very unfortunate. That slippage was insane, pandas. I don't even know. I don't even know. There's just nothing I could have done about that. The slippage was crazy. 20-point slippage. I mean, it's called a Nascraq for a reason. It's called a Nascraq for a reason, pandas. Looks quite bearish to me. If I had to choose, if I had to decide this was bullish or bearish, this looks bearish to me.
$2,500 tick trap.
lower high. Second entry short. But we're currently stuck in this like channel here. Can't really make a trade here. I think effectively my next trade will be my last on these accounts. Good morning from the Gulf of Mexico. For now. For now. It's such an interesting thing to do. Gulf of America. I don't know. I don't think that's a priority. Seems important. I don't see how that's a priority. I don't see why that's even a thing. Were people asking for that? I don't know. It just seems extra. It just seems extra. But whatever. I mean, as long as other things are being done, that's crazy. Maybe it's been a complaint for a long time. Like, why is Gulf of Mexico called Gulf of Mexico? This looks stinky. I just need to win a trade. I just need to win one trade. Give me a little more buffer here. Just need to win one trade here. Okay. I'll push down. Every short is a bit enticing, but the problem is we're kind of at a support area, which is the previous day's close. Sorry, previous week's close. The fact that we're close to it, it can act as a key level. Whatever it is. Support, resistance, magnet. Guess I got you short here. I guess I'll try. I don't like how it's bouncing off of this, though. Really don't like the signal bar. I'll sit on my pause. Bouncing off the top of this channel here. Truly confusing. I think it feels like I got you short. Double it up. Quick 10 points. That's all I want. Good looking signal bar for a short trade. Does trigger the second entry short. Does pop down. Maybe that was the trade I should have taken. Second entry short, but in the middle, right? Just seems like it's caught in the middle of something. Ends up pushing down nicely though. Yeah, it is what it is. I didn't. Yeah. I'm not too mad I skipped that. Just seems confusing. It does work out though nicely for a scalp.
2,500 tick trap.
Yeah, the Gulf of America was like a side quest. But as long as the main quest is still completed, Sure, do the side quest, but I don't know. It's just it's not something that I don't know. Do a lot of people care about that? I don't know. Maybe that really bothered Trump. It's like the one thing he wanted to leave behind, his legacy. Pandas. Let's push him back down into our channel here. This is very confusing, in my opinion. I don't know. I don't know what to do with this. It looked like this broke out. Could have been something like this, maybe. Second entry long. Pops up so much. Three touches off the previous day's close. Previous week's close. If this is gonna be my last trade, Pandas, I better make it count. Better make it count. Better make this count. We are pushing up fairly strong, but you gotta recognize the market cycle we are in. We do have room to come back up here though still. Lost for words. Alright, I mean we got nothing to lose. When you got nothing to lose, Pandas, that's when things get fun. Jeez, this slippage, I don't know. I mean, just let it go, let it go, let it go. As my good friend Elsa says, let it go. Just let it go. Move on. Next trade. Higher low setting up here. Almost want to go short. Almost want to go short here. That's obvious trading range. Higher lows, higher highs now. The trading range at the same time. Higher low here. I think it feels like inch long. Whatever. Feels like inch long. I think I just short triggers. Also bar reversal. Okay. Cool. Very cool. No idea what's happening. Second inch, or well, second inch short and also second pullback trigger at the same time. It don't make sense.
5-minute trap.
When you're desperate, making sense is the last thing you want to do.
Target filled.
Okay, I made a scalp. I made money today, pandas. I actually made money. Am I gonna dig myself out of this hole? Is it actually possible? I mean, we got Big Mama coming up as well. Let's see how choppy we've been. I think I'm gonna keep going short here. Something's in the water. Okay, we don't quite get there. It's a tough one, but I'm gonna try regardless. It just doesn't seem like it would. This Big Mama's gonna work out, but I'm gonna try anyways. Big Mama triggered it overnight. We're gonna try. Okay, pushes up. This was tough. This was tough. It already, see, I already came here before and tested this level. I don't know if I want to try it again. Okay. Strong bear bar, anyone's low. Push down to Big Mama. Do I have options here? Do I even have an option? I do. I'm just gonna set my pause. The market itself seems very trading rangy. I mean, we could be in a downtrend, like a forever downtrend. Truly, we can be. But the nature of today's market seems unruly. Doesn't seem like we have a very strong direction. Wow, man, look at that. All right. Should have paid attention to that. Okay, that makes sense. I mean, I was looking for a fail second entry long here, so I was looking for a short. Second entry short forming. The thing is, like, this market has the ability to print strong bars and then reverse on a dime. It does have the ability to do that. It has done it already many times. Or the 5-minute strong bear bar reversing, strong bull bar reversing. Strong bear bar could reverse, and I wouldn't be surprised. Sucks, but I wouldn't be surprised. It sucks because it means that the market's very hard to trade. Second just short. Triggers Big Mama again. Skip Big Mama. I would have lost that Big Mama. I'm glad I skipped it. I think it already lost. I think it already lost. Yeah, I already lost. Another attempt at Big Mama. Tough, 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 tough. 6 pushes down. Okay. Second inch short forming here. I'm going to take the fail second inch short. Absolutely will take it. I absolutely take a fail second inch short here. We don't even get it. We don't even get a fail second inch short. Bulls were so eager, they wouldn't even wait for a fail second inch short. It just, the pause bar was enough for them to enter. That's how eager the Bulls were to jump in there. I was looking for a fail second inch short, but we didn't get our setup. It is what it is. I mean, I don't regret waiting for my I don't regret waiting. I'll tell you what though, these accounts either are going to bust or boom. It's one or the other right now, pandas. Oh, I'm taking this. The eagerness of the bulls makes me really want to go long here. You can see how eager they were. I'm going to drop it at 20 ticks left. Jeez. Goodness gracious. What in the world can I get in? Oh, gosh, again. Limit orders. 35.
Target filled. Target filled.
Pandas. I mean, if there is a comeback coming, you guys are witnessing the makings of it right now. What in the world is happening? I was $200 off from busting my accounts. I regained about 1,800, 1,500 threshold. I mean, we have room to wiggle now. We have room to wiggle, pandas. Like I said, I wouldn't be surprised if this bear bar gets reversed. We've seen it many times already on the 5-minute chart, so I was waiting for it on the smaller time frame. Which got us a nice little pop up here. 20-point trade. That makes up for that stupid slippage earlier on. Could have held it for a little bit more. I don't know. I'm happy. I'm happy with that trade. Moving on. Isn't going to ruin the risk to reward ratio? No. I mean, my risk rewards are pretty much equal. It's 1-to-1s at least. As far as Apex is concerned, rules-wise, I am not breaking anything. MAE, though, they don't care about MAE. That's not something they care about. What a push-up. I should have held it. Maybe I should have held that one contract for a runner. I didn't like how we were starting to bounce around here, and the likelihood of this happening right now was too low for me. I just wanted to make me. I just need more wiggle room. I'm looking for wiggle room right now. MAE, they don't care about MAE. All they care about is trailing thresholds and end of day loss and profit. That's all they care about. Your trailing threshold and end of day loss and profit. That's all they care about. And contract sizes, right? You don't want to start. I'm not gonna like. I'm not gonna start trading 10 contracts now. Like I'm still trading 1 to 2 contracts at a time. That's also a thing they care about. Do we know what's happening? Are we getting a read on the market now? That was crazy. I'm glad I didn't do the big mama here. Like I said, they already failed here. right? I mean, it already triggered here. So I was looking for the reversal, which ended up happening very nicely. I mean, Will is going to hold it till here. I don't know. The 5-minute, though. The 5-minute still underneath the 20 EMA has been for a long time. We've been under the 20 EMA in a long time. For a long time. Even though we're super choppy. Still underneath the 20 EMA. Could get choppy here. Second entry long. Maybe decent. But, I mean, the trend lines, you have them for a reason, right? And according to these trend lines, we should be going back down in this area. Spike channel. First break of the spike. Lots of confusion here, though. I could try something cheeky and come back down to the bottom of the channel. I could try, but I don't know. Lower high here. Fail second entry long would be hard to pass, in my opinion. Fail second entry long would be hard to pass, but higher lows, or second entry long even. I'd skip that. Fail second entry long, that's the tough one to skip, in my opinion, because we're on this trend line. I mean, we're at a place on the 5-minute chart where I think limit orders are coming in as well. Usually, near the top of the previous bars. Near the top of the previous bars, you see a lot of limit orders coming in. Second entry long here, though. This could pop up. This could pop off. It could, but I'm not banking on anything here. High or low, good signal bar. Maybe looking for a new high. I wouldn't feel super strongly to go long unless we're above the 20 EMA on the 5-minute chart. Or the 5-minute chart, if we're like above the 20 EMA at this point, then I'd be like, all right, maybe. But right now, like, even for it to go long, like the 20 EMA on the 5-minute will probably act as resistance. That's I mean, you gotta calculate your risk reward and your probability there, and I don't think it adds up. Logo, I'm about to witness a great exactly. We're all witnessing greatness right now. Get your screen captures on. Another bounce off the 20 EMA. Looks bullish. Quite bullish, actually. Without context from the left, I mean, this looks very bullish to me. Right? If this is all I saw, I'd be like, all right. I mean, if this is all I saw, I'm like, yeah, this looks very bullish. If this is all I had. But with all this context behind it, makes it tougher. Every pivot can be a resistance, truly. Every pivot can be a resistance. Should I try something cheeky? Higher low. Okay, pushing up. Strong bull bar ending near its high. Lots of overlap though. Clearly above the 20 EMA and just bouncing off of it, like just tapping off of it like that. Okay. Okay. Out of nowhere, big push down. All right, lots of overlap. The cheeky thing to do here, Panda, is this. This is the cheeky thing to do here. I mean, how cheek can we cheek today? Okay. 5 overlapping bars in a row, like straight up overlap. Straight up overlapping. Give me 2 more good trades, Pandas, and I think I'm like back at it. 2 more good trades, and we are just back in. We're back in the game. Just give me 2 more good trades here. That's all I'm asking for. 20 EMA on the 5-minute chart. I'm curious to see if it's gonna act as resistance here. 7 overlapping bars in a row, or 6. This is so grindy. Like, if you're a bull, are you very like happy about this type of price action? I don't know. I think every time it knocks back down, you're kind of having mini heart attacks. I'm not in this trade, but I already feel stressed about it. I'm not in, I'm not even in the trade, but I'm stressed. That's how you know the market's not good. I'm not even in a trade yet. I'm stressed. Goodness gracious. I think it's fair to say there's not much you can do here. Just wait for more clarity. You have this channel working up. 20 EMA now, touching it on the 5-minute chart. Curious to see if we break through it. If we break through it, then maybe we can be breaking out altogether. But as long as that 20 EMA is there, okay, kind of piercing through it. At the 5-minute, 20 EMA, I'm curious to see what happens. Unless we just reversed and now we're like breaking out of this consolidation, and now today's gonna be a trend day. It could be, but it's hard to say. We need a lot more evidence for that. So I'm sitting my pause. Pandas. Scalp that like button. Gonna make the greatest comeback of all time. Get ready for it. Give me 2 more good trades, Pandas. 2 more good trades, and I'm back at it. But unfortunately, right now, the price action is just terrible. Very choppy, very slow, very confusing. It is going up, but in a way where it doesn't give me warm and fuzzies. Does not give me any warm and fuzzies here. Strong bull bar ending on its near its high on the 5-minute chart. Can reverse on a dime. It has been happening this entire time. I mean, look at this 5-minute chart. Look at this strong bear bar. If I just showed you this bear bar, wouldn't you say like, okay, we're going down now? And then wham! Breaks your neck. The cheeky thing to have done there, I guess we'll buy off the bottom of this trend line. The cheeky thing is working out. But I think I would have waited at least a 20 EMA touch. Popping up now. Look how much overlap there is. Pushing down kind of hard. Is this gonna fly? Or should I have done the cheeky thing, just buy here? Are we flying here, Pandas? It's a silly trade, but yeah. We've been overlapping so much. Maybe we can get a quick 10-pointer.
$2,500 tick trap.
Target filled.
I'm happy with a little bitty teeny scalpy here just because we're so confused. Could have held it for a little bit more, I guess. Little baby scalp right there. It's basically a 1-to-1 for the risk, right? Just kind of like getting warmed up, throwing a couple jabs out there. Throwing a couple jabs out there to the big kahuna. The big kahuna might be coming up on a failed second inch short on the 2500 tick chart. The only problem is that wow. All right. I'm glad I skunked that. Very glad I skunked that. I'm pushing down very hard now. Like I said on the 5-minute chart, these strong bull bars don't mean much. Strong bear bars don't mean much. They're getting sold with limit orders and bought up with limit orders as well.
$2,500 tick trap.
Just waiting. Cool. Very cool. No idea what's happening. That 2500 tick chart actually triggers a trap, and the trap fails, which is very concerning to me. So I feel like we may push down here, but I don't know. Pushing back up. Absolutely disgusting. This price action is just rude. It's just rude right now. Lower high. More pain for those who took the fail second entry long or fail second entry short on the 2500 tick. Second entry long here. I don't know. It sure is not making it easy. Sure not making it easy here. I mean, I'll take a fail second entry short or long, I guess. Okay, doesn't happen. It's just so hard to trade this. Like, this is our price action for the last, whatever, 20 minutes. This is what it's been. It's very difficult. Nothing to feel confident in my opinion. Just be patient, pandas. Be patient. It's coming. The trade is coming. Let it come to you. Let it come to you. You know what I mean? I need 2 more solid trades here. 2 more solid trades. I could try this, but I don't know. I could try this. I could try. It doesn't feel right. Something about it feels off. I could try. Something about it doesn't feel right. Sitting in my paws and no clue what's happening. It feels like too long here. Wow. How confusing is this? Okay, pushes down. I mean, that's a tough hold in my opinion. Very tough hold. Pushing back up. Still not out. Still in rough waters. The water's still not clear. And you will get stopped out right here. Getting pushed back up into our range. So absolutely diabolical, this price action. Thinking we're coming back into this trading range. I could be absolutely wrong here and dead. It's all good though. I don't know if I want to risk more than this on a day like today. Boom or bust. Is that how it is, pandas? Boom or bust. Is that how it is? Looks like we're gonna bust here. Okay, looks decent. Looks decent, but decent's not good enough. I need to be good. I need to be real good.
Target filled.
Don't like how that looked. Do not like how that looked. I don't like the finish of this. This could pop off, but I do not like this bar. I'm going to just skunk it. Wait for a better one. You know what I mean, pandas? The higher low could be good here now, but jeez Louise, how scary is that? When you get a candle that looks like this for your follow through. It's not looking good, especially on a sketchy looking market already. I can't hold it. I just can't do it. Higher low might be good here. It does pop off, pandas. I mean, I just couldn't hold it. When the bar looks like this, an already sus market, I just did not have the cojones to hold it. It does reach my target, which is the top of this channel. It's all good. You know what? I think being patient here is good. I think we're going to have something good coming up soon. I think we're going to have something very good coming up soon. Just being patient here, pandas. It was a second entry long on a 2500 tick. That's all that was. A second entry long, but it was looking so sus. So incredibly sus. Now it looks like it wants one more push up. We're clearly above the 20 MA here. Another problem is the 5 minute. We're still underneath the 20 MA, which I hate. I hate trying to go long in this situation. Which causes another reason because this really pops up. Now, man, darn it. Tough hold, in my opinion. What can you do about it, though, pandas? It is what it is. Tough hold for me. I mean, that was your follow through, and I'm just like, it's already a sus market. Lots of resistances above. I'll just, I'll let it go. Move on. Next trade. Plenty of trades to look forward to after this. Now, my dumb brain wants to go long. Wants to be aggressive here and go long. My dumb brain wants to be aggressive here and go long. But can I overcome my dumb brain? Sit in my pause. Dumb brain wants to be aggressive here and go long. My dumb brain. Is it dumb? Is it dumb? Still want to go long. Still looks okay. Teeny bar though. Still looks pretty good. Bull bar ending on its high. Dumb brain was actually genius brain. Cojones are too small. Hasn't scalped out yet. Maybe it was a good skip. Maybe good skip still. No clue. Good skip in my opinion. Now that it reverses with a bear bar like that, whatever. I'm happy I'm skipping that. I would be having a mini heart attack right now. Okay, you lose that trade actually. Good skip. Dumb brain. Good skip. I feel like the 5 minute is cooking up something good. We got second inch short cooking up here. We actually have a close above the 20 MA now. It's kind of going in and out of it. This market is not for the faint of heart, I'll tell you that much. All right, pandas. We're going to do something crazy here. We're in this trade. Can I get a quick scalp, please? Almost. Looks like I'm gonna get burned. I'm dead. It's okay. I'll take the 400 loss if I lose it. It's all good. Skunked it because I'm a big wuss. You know the moment you skunk it is when it actually moves though. Like it skunks me out and then it moves down. I just skunk it one push too early, I think. I'm skunking it one push too early. Second entry short on the 5-minute chart. Ends up being a nice trade. Probably going to be a very nice trade now that I got skunked out. The cojones are too small. This is a cojones issue. Not a skill issue, it's a cojones issue. Okay. Higher high, lower low. Expanding pattern currently. This is just a strong bull bar here. What a push. What a push back up. Absolutely incredible. Does it mean much is the question. On a day like today, I don't think it means anything. I just need like 2 more good trades, Pandas, to get out of this. Just give me 2 more good trades here. That's all I'm asking for. But on a day like today, it's tough to find those ones. Like, it's very tough. Like, for instance, to catch this bare leg, very tough, right? Like, it's not in me to just go short here and just like hope that we'll come back down in this area. It's just not like a intuitive thing for me to try to do something like that. Yet those are the trades that are making money today. And somehow people knew to go short here and they just made a lot of money. What can I say? I mean, if we're in a trading range, I guess it looks something like this. Shall I try to bounce it off the obvious trading range here, Pandas? Shall I attempt a bounce? High or low? Bouncing off the top. I mean, you know what? I'm going to scale in. I'm going to do one. I'm going to scale in. For the obvious trading range we're in, I'm going to try to bounce back up here and have one scale in. That's it. Obvious trading range we're in. Very obvious. Holding my breath. This is scary. It's always scary for me to try to catch falling knives. I mean, if I were to mark a trading range, this is like as clear cut as you can be, no? This is not clear cut as you can be. Can it be any more clear than this for trading range? If we were to be in a trading range, can you be any more clear than this? If it bounces all the way back up and misses my fill with a couple ticks, that's slightly annoying. But it's okay. I think I'm clearly trying to buy at the right area here. Trying to be patient. I mean, if this were a trading range, wouldn't this be it? Wouldn't this be the trading range? And if it comes all the way back up now, Pandas, how crazy would that be? Because we missed getting filled by like 1 tick or 1 point. Ooh, lower high here. Okay, we're in. Kind of wide stop because we'll scale in one time. Maybe we'll scale in somewhere here. Okay, we're scaled in. Now, as long as we don't break down, we should be fine. I'm trying to come out break even at this point, even if... Okay, came out break even. Because I'm a wuss. Because I just saw strong bear bars and I got scared, pandas. I mean, wouldn't you be scared? But scaling in allowed us to come out break even here. I don't like the fact that we kind of start breaking out of the trading range. You know what I mean? Could have held it for some profits, I guess. Wowzers. Bouncing off the 20 EMA. About a breakout retest type situation. It's not like a place where I'm really looking for a short, though. It's not really a place for it. It's not really, like, it's a fail second entry long, but it's not really a place I'm looking for it. Would have been decent hold, actually, if I didn't just come out break even. Would have made some bamboo-roonies. Okay, pushing. Looking for a higher low, if we can get it. We might not even get the higher low. Come back to the top of the trading range. I guess at the end if we come back up here, I was pretty much correct that we were in a trading range. It just happened to try to break out, fail breakout, and then reverse back up into the trading range. Been a good hold if I could have held it, but it pushed down too strong for me. What a good push. What a nice push up now. I was looking for the higher low, but we didn't get it, right? It ended up being like some sort of micro double bottom here instead. I was waiting for the higher low, but people end up trading this inside bar. All good. I didn't lose money. It's fine. Probably coming back to top of the trading range. It looks strong, right? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bull bars in a row. Looks quite strong. Okay. The 20 EMA is still acting like a resistance on the 5-minute chart, though. We're having a tough time really breaking above it. 2500 tick chart. A strong bull bar ending on its high and sold with limit orders. Limit order market. Still in a limit order market here. Which means I need to buy something with a limit order, but boy oh boy, what am I willing to buy in this situation? I don't know. I have a higher low here now. Let's skip it. Like your risk is large. This is a big candle. And we're in the middle of a trading range. So I'm skipping it. Could be a candidate for a short trade. Could be. Do I love it? No, I don't love it. I don't love anything in the middle of a trading range. low. Push down. I was $200 away from busting my accounts, pandas. Pushing up to the top of the trading range. Looks like decent push up. I didn't want to mess with that. Fails against a short, I'll try to get to the top of the trading range, but still 20 EMA is a nuisance right now. Absolute nuisance on the 5-minute chart. Making me not want to go long on anything, but we're going in and out of the 20 EMA, so maybe it's not a thing to concern. According to the price action today, if it fails against a short, I'll take it. Just for a scalp. Do not want an outside bar reversal. This could be a decent short, to be honest, coming off of the trend line. Do not want an outside bar reversal. If it happens, outside bar reversal, I'm skipping it. I don't even care. Skipping it. Outside bar reversal just shows me choppiness. But clear target to top of the trading range. I was in that trade too. I just came out break even though. Just pushed down too strong. I was worried it was gonna break down. I have like a small enough margins already. So I'm quick to skunk right now. But on a day like today, you cannot be skunking easily. You have to have like a strong resolve in any of your trades. Technically we're top of a trading range now. The conventional thing to do is to go short in this area, but notice we had a failed breakdown. We could find symmetry here for a failed breakout. Five-minute trading range. This is how this looks like. The 5-minute chart. Comes right back down to the bottom of the trading range from the top to the bottom. Easy peasy for those who went short here. Didn't have anything to deal with like we had here. Unfortunately. I guess at the end I'll be kicking myself if I don't try. Right? This time I think I'll just lose it if I lose. If I lose, I'll lose it. Yeah, I lost it. Could tick shot me, can come all the way back up now. Sure, why not? On a day like today. This is a perfect thing to do on a day like today. Tick shot me, come all the way back up. That is exactly what it does on things. It does things like this on days like today. Show bull bar, any on tie, Any follow through? High or low? I'm just trying to lose money at this point, huh? Just trying to lose money at this point. If I lose this trade, I deserve it. If I lose this trade, I deserve it.
Target
I
filled.
can't even hold it. I can't even hold it for like 5 seconds. It's such a bad trade. I don't know. Feels like I can just short. It's better setup, but I mean, look at this. It's gonna work out, isn't it? Oh boy. My brain is so wired to not trade the opposite side of the 20 EMA. I can't even take that trade. I made a small bamboo, but I mean it's not like anything. It's virtually nothing. It's virtually break even. Just makes up for the commissions. Fails again just short. Then I'll take it. I'll take it with double. Give me a fails again short, I'll take it with double. Fails again just short, double time. Here we go. Come to Papa. Ooh, come to Papa. Give me a fail second, just short. Yeah, it's not giving it to me. Will it? I doubt it. I highly doubt it'll give me any type of real setup here. Yeah, just gonna let it go. High or low ends up being a nice little scalp. Scalpy scalp scalp. You know the thing is, I'm just too afraid to lose money today. I'm too afraid to lose money, so I can't hold on to any trades, even if they're good. Right, this high or low ends up being a nice trade. Too scared to lose money today. High or low ends up being a nice trade. And like I said, it would be the day where I buy here and it tick shots me and then goes up. I was in an okay trade. This is crazy. All right. You know what, pandas? I'm tired of this. I'm absolutely tired of this. Next trade, I'm gonna hold. I mean, I did hold this no matter what, and I lost it. I didn't want to lose 2 in a row like that. It's so crazy to think like you literally just buy and then sell. I mean, you think you would love a day like this if you could know it's gonna happen, because it's so easy. There's no way. Do I just sell here? Do I just sell here, pandas? There's no way, right? Is that how I make money today? Do I just sell here? I feel dumb already. Not just I don't know. I mean, I buy here. I tried bandits. I tried to get back to the bottom to the top. It just went a little too far down. Took me out by the tick. I tried already. I got burned. I took the higher low. Got too scared. I tried to be cheeky. My entry would have been selling here. Will it come back down here? Now that I'm not in the trade, it probably just go straight down. Like an A-top type situation. I kind of want this to fail if I went short here, just because so I'm not too FOMO'd out here. Goodness gracious. If I was in this trade, I'd be scared, but your risk is very small. Still in this trade if you went short here. Okay, you lose that trade if your stop is right there. If you have a wide stop, you could potentially still be in this trade. This could be breaking out. You have to be very careful here. Very careful here. This could be breaking out. Could really be breaking out. No. Not convinced of anything yet. I still need like 2 solid trades. That's what I'm looking for right now. We're getting deep into the trading day now. What is that? What am I looking at right now? I mean, can you say this is a breakout? This does not look very breakout-y. Phone is blowing up. Sorry, 1 second. All right. Certainly, this does not look like a breakout now, does it? Or breakout retest. 5-minute chart says we're in the top of the trading range. Possibly come back all the way back down. But clear close above the 20 MA. But we were going in and out of 20 MA, so I'm not sure if that means much on a day like today. Sitting on my pause, feels like entry long, I'll take it, but other than that, I don't know. I mean, the market cycle does not. This market cycle makes it so. I don't think I can just go long here. I think instinctively I like breakouts because they're very good risk rewards. Right? We all want that big hit, like home run hit.
2500 tick trap.
But I'm not sure if today if it grants that with this market cycle. Hmm. No clue, pandas. Just chilling. It looks choppy. Oh boy, second entry long here. It doesn't make sense. It just doesn't make sense. It does not make sense here. Breakout retest, second entry long. Dang. Okay. I mean, I just felt like the trading range was so strong. I didn't feel too confident going long here. Plus, outside bar reversal. All the things I don't like about a setup are happening here. Very choppy as well. Just a lot of things I don't like about it. I just can't take it. Maybe the trap on the 2500 tick chart was quite a lot of risk. That's a bar reversal on the trap. I don't know. I'm just saying I'm a pause. I don't feel good about anything right now. It's not clear to me. Pandas, it might be clear to you, but it's not clear to me. So many overlapping bars. So much chop. We're clearly above the 20 EMA. We're above the range as well, but nothing looks pretty. Nothing looks nice here. I'll tell you that much. Nothing looks nice. If we bounce off the 20 EMA here, maybe I might go long. But I don't quite get there. It's so choppy. I don't know. I just don't like it. I just don't like any of this. Looks like a double top type situation. I mean, it is breakout retest currently. We are retested. We did retest and bounce off of a little bit. Not much. Okay, I might be coming back into it. We're testing the 20 EMA again. Okay. This does not look. This looks like a. It looks like a double top, if anything, in my opinion. Look at how tricky this market is, pandas. Nothing is clear. Nothing is clear today. A lower high, I would look to go short to come back down. If I can get a lower high of some sort, but I don't know if I'm even going to get that. Basically double top, neckline broke. We're back into our trading range. Nothing's easy today. This is not easy, I'll tell you that much for sure. Maybe lower high here, still interested. Maybe. I don't know. Trading is very difficult because either you're right or wrong. That's it. It's very binary. In a seemingly random market, you have to be right or wrong. Like, it's either right or wrong. Either it's going to go long or short, and you got to decide which direction you're going to go. Seemingly random market. Lower high. Can we get something here? Any more evidence? A couple bear bars in a row. Pause bar. Okay. This looks terrible. This looks terrible. Only way to really go long from here is if we break this high. If we break this high, then I would consider going long, but we've got a long ways to go. I'll tell you that much. I'll tell you that much. Another bull, a pause bar could be like a bear flag type situation here. Double top, push down, pause, another push down. Most likely what's going to happen here. Most likely. We live in a land of probabilities where nothing is 100% certain. Do I like the lower high here? Not really. I mean, look at this. Look at this price action. It looks horrendous. One second, penis.
$2,500 tick trap.
Pandas, we're going for it. We're shooting for the stars. Uh-oh. Stars have abandoned us. The stars have truly abandoned us. The stars have abandoned us. All right, Panis. We're done. Panis, I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. Have a wonderful day. As always, have a drink of us. Bye.